breakthrough mistake-proof liquid-like cream blush. Where it went wrong was... Hey guys, and welcome to this week's Fab In 5. If you're new here, I have recently added a new series to my channel. This will be posted every Saturday. It's going to be any beauty related content you would already find on my channel, but in 5 minutes or less. And today is going to be a quick review. So Rare Beauty is a brand that was recently launched in 2020. It is by Selena Gomez. Now she's come out with a new collection called Stay Vulnerable. And this is basically supposed to be a collection that contains products that are easy to use, quick, simple, very natural makeup. So it comes with a gloss, liquid eyeshadows, which is another product I think I'm going to test in the future, but I got the melting cream blush. So this is supposed to be a breakthrough mistake-proof liquid-like cream blush that melts into a second skin for the most natural looking wash of soft focus color. This is the packaging. I really actually like the packaging of pretty much everything that I've used from Rare Beauty. I think it kind of looks a little like retro, but it's really cute. And then you open it up and that is the little cream blush. When you actually swatch it, I got it in the shade Nearly Neutral. There are 5 shades. It feels almost like oily, but not greasy, just like a texture. It's like really thin. And when you blend it into the skin, it literally evaporates into your skin. You can not feel it at all. It does stain the skin. It literally looks so beyond natural. I love the way that it swatches. Originally was going to do this as a first impression. It didn't go very well. I actually hated the way that it looked and was really disappointed. And so I thought I'm going to give it one more shot. I kind of feel like the first time I used it, I figured out how it applies best. And then I wanted to see if I were to apply it that way the second time, if maybe I would enjoy it more. And I did. That being said, it is a little bit more of a finicky product and it's not necessarily the easiest. It's not as easy to work with as it's described, unfortunately, but if you get it to work, it is like the most natural, stunning, looks like your skin is just naturally flushed. Like it looks like you just have like slightly colored cheeks, like you're blushing or something. I'm wearing it today. As you can see, it's very natural. I do think this would also be a really beautiful product for people that don't wear foundation because I think it would melt in, like you can play with it a little bit more. The reason that I think this is a little finicky is if you play with it too much over top of makeup, I think that's when things can go wrong. So the first time I used it, I applied one side underneath powder on top of foundation. Went on beautifully. I set it. It did obviously take, whenever you set a cream product, it can kind of blend it in a little better and you do lose a little bit of that color. When you apply it underneath powder, I would recommend maybe applying a little bit more than you normally would. And then when you go over with powder, it's going to blend it out and kind of soften it is the word. Where it went wrong was the second side of my face, I applied it over top of the powder to see if it would work well. It went patchy. It lifted the foundation. It made my concealer go funny. I was really disappointed. My final opinion on this product is a definitely never before seen formula. I think it's great for those people that are wanting a more natural flush of color without looking like super bold cheek. Yet it is buildable, but do not apply over top of powder. It does not work over top of powder. The formula is made up of oils. It's supposed to be a very unique formula and that's how it melts into your skin and it really truly does and why it does look so natural. But when you apply that over top of powder, it breaks down that makeup underneath, lifts it up as you're trying to apply it over top and makes your makeup look patchy. I'm not saying don't get it, but you have to use it correctly. I think if you were to apply this on bare skin, I think it would be stunning. I have yet to try that, so don't quote me on it, but I really think it's gonna be for those of you that like a more natural makeup look. I personally really like it. I do like her liquid blush better because I think it is a little bit more foolproof. You can apply underneath powder, over top of powder. It's very pigmented, yet it's very blendable. Whereas this, there's certain things you can't do with it or it is a disaster. So I absolutely love the way it looks today. It was a little bit of a learning curve, but I think if you get it and apply it properly, you will enjoy it. So that's my final review of this little product right here from Rare Beauty. Thank you so much for watching today's Fab In 5. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.